for the right vehicle? Check out the 2020 Jeep Grand Cherokee. The Jeep Grand Cherokee offers superior off-road capabilities comparable to that of the upscale Land Rover LR3. This makes the Grand Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, power passenger seat, steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry, navigation system, traction control, stability control, power liftgate, backup camera, tow hitch, anti-lock braking system, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, alloy wheels, keyless start, auto-dimming rear view mirror. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood, so call or drop in for a test drive today.